who is against sustainability today? I believe that the people supporting atomic energy are pretty much pro-sustainability, right? The Eco-Modernist Manifesto is pro-sustainability. So I believe that this is the problem that we were facing. But what I would like to say is that for us, this problem was not so much a mistake. You know, it's not so much that we needed to find another word, but we needed to understand what was wrong with this category. And I believe that it was not a mistake, but rather it was a depoliticizing dispositive. So precisely the idea of sustainability might serve, and I would argue that has served many times, in order to foster the narrative for the role of the experts, right? So everybody is pro-sustainability, right? And my wonder, I mean, generally my question is always the same: sustainable for whom? Or sustainable what? For instance, and I know that I may be a little bit cynical here, I would say that if the point is to have a sustainable capitalism, well, maybe I am pretty much, you know, for unsustainability. I would fight against sustainability. And this is not just a joke, but it's true that there is an idea that, you know, the best we can do is to sustain capitalism. And, you know, so we will have green capitalism, we will have green economy, and so on and so forth. So I believe that challenging the very idea of sustainability is very crucial. And this was actually our also taken in the proposal. Big challenge is to merge sustainability and social and environmental justice. It's not enough to speak about sustainability. But on the other hand, I mean, maybe what I should say now is that the big challenge for sustainability today is capitalism per se. So is it possible to foster, to build a sustainable society if we don't change completely our system? No? And I believe that this is something that might be worth of thinking and exploring. I believe that something that I would like to see from this network is to challenge the mainstream ideas about this late neoliberal academic system. So for instance, what does it mean to speak about, you know, can we imagine a different way of evaluating grants proposal? Because if a grant proposal is about, you know, changing the world, are we sure that we, and I am speaking especially about myself, we academics are the right people in charge to make this decision? Could we do something different? Could we introduce a different kind of peer review, let's say, of these things? I would really like to see something like that. Could we challenge the obsession with outputs? Could we challenge the idea that, you know, bibliometry is the only way in which we should be evaluated? And, you know, there is an inherent contradiction between, you know, cooperating and competing, which is, you know, it was, you know, at the core of this call. In a way, we are cooperating, and I am very happy, actually, because many of my friends are part of other networks, right? Other consortium, let's say. But on the other side, we were also competing. And can we find a way in which it's possible to foster, you know, great research, but also collaboration, and try to break this obsession with competition, which maybe is not the only solution.